Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I'm always looking to have more simple and minimalistic things, so this wallet by Mountain Voyage has been perfect for me. I like that this one has all of my cards together without any layers in between, so it keeps the wallet size to a minimum. It is an added relief that it has RFID protection built in, so I don't have to worry about anyone trying to scan or clone my credit card chips. The material it's made out of is very strong carbon fiber, so it has survived many falls and drops. So as you can see, it's a very small, light and compact wallet. It easily fits in my hand, it easily fits in the pocket of my pants, and on top of that, it's a very cool looking wallet, very practical and functional. This wallet is totally worth it, and that is my point of view.